speak for all men when I say there's something exceptional, unique about a woman.
This is called A Lovely's Groove from Makers of Love, and I guarantee you, you're going to love it. So this is the tutorial. Very easy. Beginners, you'll love it, I promise you. If you like the rock and you like the hip, I guarantee you, you can do it anywhere, anyhow, you can do it. So here we go. We're gonna go to the right. I like to call it a scooch. You call it yours. Some people call it a shuffle. So I'm not your regular line dance teacher. So don't wait for me to tell you all this other stuff. I'm gonna be the one to say, just do what my feet did. No, I'm not. I'm gonna try my best. So here we go. I'm gonna go to the right. I'm gonna go one and shuffle, shuffle. And then we're gonna go to the other side. One and shuffle, shuffle. The first step, we're gonna walk in place. Walk, you walk it. 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and. okay? Or 4, whichever one you want to do. You can do a 3 or you can do a 4. Do it again from the top to your right. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Shuffle, shuffle, and 1, 2. Shuffle, walk in place. 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, and. Okay? We'll do it again. To the right. 1, and. Shuffle to the right, and 1, and. Shuffle to the left. And you're going to hip it. 1 and 2. Then you're going to pop it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I told you was going to love it. Y'all want to stop right there, but we're going to do it from the top. Ready? 1, 2, 3 to the right. 1, and shuffle, and 2, and shuffle. Walk in place. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk it, ladies. 2, 3, 4. Shuffle. 1. To the left. Now swing them hips. Swing it. 1. Now pop it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next part of the song, because the music changes. And you're going to step with your right. You're going to step up right and pull it back. Step up left and pull it back. And then you're going to shuffle backwards. I call it the nail Carter. You can call it what you want. You shuffle back. 1, 2, 3, pop open. Now some people call it the shuffle back. Some people call it the nail Carter. You call it what you want to call it. So again, you step up on your right, pull back, step on your left, pull back, step back on your right. 1, 2, 3, pop open. Cross, step up. Cross, step up. I like to call it a pivot turn. And pivot turn to the back. Okay? When you get to the back, I'm going to do it again for you. You're going to step up on your right and pull back. Step on your left and pull back. Walk back on your right. 1, 2, 3. Pop open. Cross over. Step out. Cross over. Step out. Cross over. Step up with a pivot turn and step up to the top. You got that? I'm going to do it again in very slow motion. I promise you. So we're going to shuffle to the right. 1, 2, shuffle to the left. 1, 2, shuffle. Walk it out. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. Shuffle again to the right. 1, to the left. 1. Now we're going to roll it. Roll it once. We're going to roll it twice. Then we're going to pop it 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Change. When you go to the chorus, pull up on your right, pull back. Go to your left, and pull back. Step on your right, 2 and 3. Step open, cross over, step out, cross over, step out, cross over, step up, and turn to the back. Back to the right, pull back from the left, step back on your right, pop open, cross over, step out, cross over, step out, cross over, and turn you back. Now, this part was even difficult for me, and I wrote it. So, you're going to swing it to the right, and you're going to swing it to the left. You're going to cross over, step up, cross back, kick it out. I'm going to do it again for you. You're going to swing to the right. You're going to swing to the left. You're going to cross over, step up, cross back, and kick it out. Now, you want to step over, step back, step up, step over, and you're going to spank it. 2, 3. Did you like the spank? I'll do it again. You're going to swing it to the right. You're going to swing it to the left. You're going to cross over, step up, cross back, kick it out, step up, cross over, step back, come to the top, cross, and spank it. 2, 3. And you do it again. To the right, to the left. Cross over, step, Step, kick it out. Step up, step back, step up, step over, turn. 1, 2, 3. And then you go back to the bridge. Pull from the right, pull from the left. You step back, 2, 3. Hop over, cross over, step out. Cross over, step out. Cross over, step up, and turn to the back. Right, left. Step back. 1, 2, 3. Step over, cross over, and step. Cross over, step. Cross over, step up. And that's called Love Groove. I hope you enjoy it. Good night.